Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, one of the customer success managers here at GoProfiles, and today I wanted to show you our Microsoft Teams integration. How this integration works is when you give someone a Bravo within your company, it will populate in any channel that you choose within Microsoft Teams. So I'm in the platform, I've already connected the integration, I'm going to go ahead and give someone a Bravo. So my coworker Tyler is super helpful on calls. He's always got my back, always helping to answer questions. I want to give him a Bravo. So I'm going to navigate to his page and I'm going to click the button Give Bravo, and then I'm going to type out my Bravo. Thank you for always having my back on calls. With GoProfiles, we have the ability to generate AI suggestions on Bravos based off of the prompt that you wrote. So I want to go ahead and generate a Bravo. I don't want to look through the ones. I want it to suggest one based off of what I've written. And it comes up with dependable deliverer, empathetic soul, and feedback fan. I'm going to go with dependable deliverer because I feel like Tyler is a dependable deliverer. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next and hit give Bravo. This will populate the Bravo on Tyler's page as well as mine. It has given me the Bravo. Now I'm going to navigate over to Microsoft Teams and you can see that this Bravo populated in the general channel. The really great thing with this is every time a Bravo is given within your company, it will populate within whatever channel you choose, and everyone in the company can see what awesome work that coworker is doing, and they can also contribute to this acknowledgement of team members. So this is really great. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team.